What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at AppGrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 4 apps that pays to watch videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers, I give away free money. As you can see, I'm at 3,270, and once I get to 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away some free money to 2 people. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos I drop. Make sure you hit that all bell when you hit on notifications. And please give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm talking about today in this video. Also, make sure you type hashtag get your grind on. It's very, very important to type that. And also follow me on Instagram. All right, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because all 4 of these apps are very good apps for you to download and use to watch videos and make some good money. So without further ado, let me go to the first app. All right, I'm at the first app, and the name of this app is InboxDollars. Now I'm gonna go through all these apps pretty fast because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'm just gonna briefly tell you about these apps. Some of them I have talked about before. All right, so this app, as you can see, you're going to be making money watching videos, but also you can make money taking surveys. And let's just scroll down here and read a little bit more about it right quick. And InboxDollars has partnered with some of the most trusted brands in retail, technology, and market research to deliver a robust platform of earning opportunities. Since 2000, over 57 million in cash rewards have been paid to members. And it says here, get paid for taking surveys, reading emails, completing offers, playing games, shopping online. But we're going to focus on the watching videos. So it's going to be real, real simple just to watch videos, and you're going to make some good money. Now, once you receive $30 in your account, you'll be able to cash out through check or gift card. And as you can see, the rating is 4.0 out of 5 stars. Anything 4 and up is a very good app. It doesn't have to be 5 stars. As you can see, here's some reviews right here. Let's look at one right quick. Okay, so this one right here, Teresa, she says, so far it seems nice, although I only downloaded about 2 hours ago. I've already earned money doing stuff on the app. Glad to see something that gives you more options but actually works. So this Teresa is very happy with this app and already started making some money. All right, now let's go to the second app. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making some money watching videos with this app and doing a lot of other things, go to InboxDollars. All right, I'm at the second app, and the name of this app is AppNana. So on this app, let's go ahead and read a little bit about it right quick. So this app, you're going to be trying free apps and redeem them for gift cards. And they also show you're going to be looking at videos too. It seems like it doesn't show it on here, but you will be looking at videos and making some money from it. Matter of fact, you can go to the website and they'll show you everything about the video. As I said before, I'm just going to run through these apps because I have matter of fact 2 more to show you. So as you see right here, it says watch videos, get free gift cards. So you're going to be watching some videos and you can get free gift cards. And out of 5 stars, the rating is 4.3. That's really good. And let's read a review here. So this review right here, this person right here, can't pronounce his name, but this app has given me a lot of happiness because this app helped me to get the games that I thought I'll never get. But because of this app, I came to know that I was completely wrong. It gave me 2 games of money, Minecraft, ARK Survival. So this person is happy because they got some games and everything from this app. So, like I said before, they do have it where you can watch videos. So if you want to go ahead and check out this app, go to AppNana, free gift cards. This is also available on the App Store. So let me go to the 3rd app. I'm at the 3rd app, and the name of this app is AppTrailers. So let's scroll down here and read something right quick about it. So preview video trailers of apps, celebrity gossip, DIY videos, and get points that you can redeem with PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, and many more with AppTrailers. Now I've talked about this in the past, but I want to bring it up because this is still a hot app you can use to make some money watching videos in 2020. And you'll be watching the hottest high quality streaming videos of apps in Google Play. This is also available in the Apple Store too. And you're going to be getting gift cards through PayPal, Amazon, Target, Starbucks, Groupon, and many more. So let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 4.2, which is good. So this person right here named Dawn says this has been a good app for me. Sure, there has been some times when the app does not work for a while, or some videos don't give me points. But I cannot complain because he said he's still getting free points and eventually free money for doing nothing. So he said it gives the apps give him trouble sometime, and that's what's going to happen. You know, you're going to get some glitches on some of these apps, but he's still getting the free points and getting the free money. So that's all I'm going to say about this app. Go ahead and go to AppTrailers in Google Play, and they also have it in the App Store. Now let me go to the last app. All right, I'm at the last app, and the name of this app is TV2, Watch and Earn Rewards. So let's read a little bit about it right quick. So TV2 is the best of all rewards app. You simply watch the videos you love and earn crypto while doing so. So you're going to be earning cryptocurrency watching videos on with this app. But you can easily turn that cryptocurrency into cash or gift cards or anything that you want if you don't want to use crypto. Now, it says here, this is how it works. So you watch videos and receive big rewards. Click on bottom right corner to see your balance, request payout, and withdraw with TTV. So that's what you're gonna accumulate. It's called TTVs, and then you're gonna redeem that for crypto. Now, let me go ahead and go down to the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.7, which is very, very good. Now let's look at a review right quick. All right, this person right here says, I love this app. It's really impressive about their tasks. I use to watch videos without being paid. This app has changed that. After reaching 384 TTV, I requested a payout to see if it's legit, and it's indeed legit because my Ether wallet was credited with 26 cents. Now, I know 26 cents is not a lot, but all he did was looked at some videos. So if you look at some videos each day, it's going to accumulate. So that's all I'm going to say about this app, guys. So if you want to learn a little bit more, you can come to Google Play and look up TV-2, watch and earn rewards. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Please give me a like before you go. Help me to get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps that I talked about today. And please type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, which is @AppGrind. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to become their own boss and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, one more thing. Please leave a creative comment because sometimes I do a shout out when I see a creative comment in the comment section. So if you get a shout out, that might help your YouTube channel. People might want to check you out if I do a shout out. So please leave a creative comment so I can pick one that I like and you'll get a shout out in one of my videos. All right, guys, that's all I have. I'm done. Have a good day or night. And one more thing before I go. Get your grind on because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind on.